Hi, Pam Santoro here with Berkshire Hathaway, wanting to talk to you about the hot spring market and getting your house ready for sale. Most of the time, getting your house ready for sale requires elbow grease, packing up items that you still need but don't use right now, and donating some items to charity, and basically staging the house so it looks new. From the moment potential buyers drive into your neighborhood and up your driveway, they get a feel for your home. Is there pine straw in the flower beds? Are the shrubs trimmed? Does the front door need a new coat of paint? And are there flowers welcoming you on the front porch? All these little touches make a difference on what someone feels like when they come to your house. So, if you'd like to get your house ready for market this spring, give me a call, Pam Santoro at 678-656-6627. I can help you. And remember, no one sells a home like a mom.